The year 1942 saw the young and enterprising construction entrepreneur K.D. Ebert enter the Ceylon Technical College, and while studying established a firm under his own name and did contracting, casting concrete posts for the firm Samuel and Sons, an Indian collaboration. With the dawn of independence, the Ceylon Technical College of the era was the foremost institution that imparted knowledge in local construction infused with international techniques. Since 1947, K.D. Ebert used his talent and hard work to begin his direct contracting of casting concrete light posts. Being the first Sri Lankan to embark on this venture, there has been no turning point. Evolution and reinvention has been our mantra for success. The drive to deliver quality construction brought in success. Diversification of the business brought in a gamut of experience. In 1950, K.D. Ebert registered as a construction contractor with the Public Works Department as a sole proprietor and undertook construction work for many projects from buildings to roadways and irrigation. In 1988, a new revolution. 46 years in the construction industry as an individual construction contractor registered the sole proprietorship into a partnership including his family members. The trade name K.D. Ebert and Sons was born. K.D. Ebert and Sons became one of the first companies to be proudly registered under the newly instituted ICTAD construction company grading system. At the turn of the century, with 50 years of experience, the company once again reinvented itself. In 1999, K.D. Ebert and Sons Holdings Private Limited was incorporated. Beginning at mid-grade 4 at ICTAD, the company was upgraded to top tier in 2004. Today, it is one of the oldest and C1 rated companies, one of the top rated construction companies in the country. We have grown with our mother Lanka and have been a proud part of her development process. Many large institutions, be it state or private sector, have entrusted us with the construction of their key building projects to fulfill specific national needs. The company has made an outstanding contribution to civil engineering projects around the country in the government sector. Construction of hospitals, universities, court complexes, laboratories, large-scale government office complexes, bank buildings, theatres, gymnasiums, multi-storied housing complexes, to name a few. Among them, the company has constructed multi-storied buildings inclusive of specially designed auditorium with sound acoustic paneling, stage lighting systems, and also had the expertise to do the public addressing in the auditorium for the Department of the Government Information for the Ministry of Mass Media and Information. The Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology is one of our crowning achievements. The 4-story state-of-the-art building is fully equipped with a modern laboratory and lecturing facilities and is a landmark among the greenery of Colombo, thus supporting science. In addition to this, the construction of the Institute of Policy Studies, the building complex of the Faculty of Management and Commerce of the University of Southeastern at Oliville, and with a value of 156 million for another massive project at the Faculty of Medicine, University of Kelaniya, are some of our major achievements. With these, the company has completed over rupees 1.5 billion value of construction work for the past few years. K.D. Ebert and Sons Holdings Private Limited displays its design and building capabilities in the road sector. We have been awarded contracts of roadways to the value of over 15 billion rupees during the last 5 years, covering an area of 180 kilometers island-wide. We have the experience in all areas of road construction, which include asphalt concrete, concrete roads, inclusive of drains, culverts, retaining structures, with road furniture. We also undertake to do full rehabilitation work in main highways, high-level road from Dugegoda to Homagama and Poonerin to Parantan. We also have the expertise in construction of concrete bridges, steel bridges, and Bailey bridges with multi-spans for the national highway roads. The company recently completed many bridge projects with a value of over rupees 450 million. Our road construction capabilities are ably supported by our own equipment. High-capacity crusher plant, 4 machines with capabilities of up to 90 tons per hour. Asphalt plant, capacity of up to 96 tons per hour. Under the civil construction sector, we offer valuable service for water supply and drainage systems to the country. And integrated water supply schemes are designed to cater to the adequate water demand of the people in the rural areas of the country. This scheme consists of an intake, desalting chamber flocculate, ground reservoir, high lift pump house, chemical houses, elevated tower, and a booster pump house. Under these rehabilitation projects, cast iron and ductile iron pipes with specials and valves are included. With this, for the past 5 years, more than rupees 200 million worth work completed. Today, we are led by Mr. K.D. Indaka, a qualified diploma holder in special engineering from the Katunayaka Engineering Institute, City and Guilds, Quantity Surveyors, London, taking over the company from his late father, K.D. Ebert, is supported by his family to carry forward the company's business, excellent reputation, and proud history of nearly 7 decades. What our company has done so far needs no further praise than our rising revenues and our certification of quality. We have been awarded ISO quality certification in 2008. The company is blessed with qualified and dedicated staff. Engineers and quantity surveyors work hand in hand with technicians and mechanical operators, thus bringing success to the company and solutions to the total construction industry. As a long-standing company, K.D. Ebert and Sons Holdings Private Limited is a company engaged in many CSR projects. The vision being to be responsible and a caring corporate citizen. The company plays an active role in their communities, contributing to the spiritual and physical welfare of thousands of people. We have built, repaired, and continuously maintained several Buddhist temples and places of worship, such as the Sudharmarama Ancient Vihara in Maharagama. A large donation towards building of the second gold fence around the Jayashri Mahabodhi in Anuradhapura is also one of our humble contributions. We organize large-scale religious and welfare activities such as providing articles of worship and dry rations to the poor. We have made contributions towards refurbishing government hospitals and organized mass-scale blood donation campaigns for the blood bank. We have helped to uplift the education standards by providing free books to the underprivileged students and renovating water supply and drainage facilities in small schools. For 7 decades, we at K.D. Ebert and Sons Private Limited have made our mark on the construction field of Sri Lanka. From the cities to the rural climes, we have been an important and proud part of the Sri Lankan development. Our vision for the future to continue to grow hand in hand along with the development of our nation.